AUTOPSTENHOJ, the uplifting company, presents the Biglift 2.65 Saaa, the perfect lift for vans. The Biglift 2.65 lift with arms is an electro-hydraulic twin-ram lift developed to lift vans and small trucks. With a distance between pistons of 2,650 millimeters, it offers optimum drive-on facility and perfect access, also where larger vehicles are concerned. The well-thought-out design makes it possible to lift smaller passenger cars as well. The all-purpose lift is also suitable for general repair and maintenance jobs, as well as body work. The programmable control unit has push buttons and a separate main switch. It is likewise equipped with CE stop and alarm signal. The lift is labeled with lifting capacity, as well as a short maintenance description label. The lift is equipped with an emergency lowering valve, but can also be lowered by using compressed air. Through the hard chrome-plated cylinders, you reach a maximum working height of approximately 2 meters. The lift is extremely stable, also with uneven load distribution because of the big diameter 213 millimeter cylinders. The control unit for the Biglift, with a distance between pistons of 2,650 millimeters, is also equipped with a push button for parking of the lift in a ratchet rail, making the lift even more stable. Moreover, our hydraulic units have corrosion-proof elements made of a special aluminum alloy. The waterproof cassette ensures a clean overlap with workshop floor. The triple arms on the Biglift makes it universal in usage. Arms are easily moved by means on handle on side, as well as roller bearing under the arm. The automatic arm locking system is designed according to EU regulations for your safety. In bottom position, they will automatically release so that arms can be positioned without problems. We offer a large number of different pads to increase the application possibilities. Investing in a Biglift 2.65 is an investment in the future and offers many applications, for both small passenger cars up to large vans with a maximum capacity of 6.5 tons. Naturally, we have various recommendations and approvals for this lift from leading vehicle manufacturers. Contact us for more information or visit our website, AUTOPSTENHOJ.com. You are welcome.